Hi, everybody. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. My weekend was fabulous. I got to spend a lot of time with my family, which I love to do. We threw a birthday party for my brother-in-law, and we got to see some of his family. So it was a really nice occasion. Um, Today, we are going to be looking more into making connections and inferencing. I know we've already talked about these before, so we're going to be diving a little bit deeper into it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to read two different books that we are going to make connections between the two texts, and then we're going to also infer what we think is going to happen in those stories. Okay? The answer to Friday's riddle was a map. So if you put a map or something similar to that, give yourself a pat on the back or an air high five, because that one was kind of tricky. Today's riddle is: David's parents had three kids: Snap, Crackle, and blank. Who's the third child? Let me know in the next slide.